Alright, welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Today's going to be just a short little pop-up video. I got a sticker a few weeks ago for Mr. Shawn Brooks at Pin on Fire and Carvings. That's Mr. Shawn Brooks sticker right there. I'm going to have a link to his YouTube channel in my description. This is the very first sticker I got from Carbon Fusion Jordy Johnson. I got this years ago when I ordered some of the Pink Blair sanded mandrels. I got one of those in the package. Then I won a carving from Jordy in one of his challenges. I got this sticker plus his carvings hanging on the wall, and I got a carving from Mr. Shawn Brooks hanging on the wall. And I got this from Mr. Robert C. Peters, Rhymer PT. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel link in my description. This is my little grumpy pipe he made me. It is awesome. It's one of his, oh my gosh, oh, there you go. It's one of his originals, and it's on a olive burl. And I cut the grains in that wood is just cool. And he sent it all natural, but I put an epoxy coating over the grumpy. I didn't want the artwork to disappear, so, and I used this, so you know I had to protect that. But I'm going to put two finishing nails right here, and it's going to be like the little SpaceX chopsticks, and it's going to and it's going to hold, and that's where I'm going to set it when I'm not using it, so I can display that, because I don't have a sticker from Mr. Robert. And then of course Shawn Brooks sticker, that's one of my stickers. And then I've been waiting for this. Boom. I got Mr. Perry Lowe Jr., the carving wizard. He sent Grumpy a sticker. And I love wizards and stuff like that, so this is just awesome. I like your design for your sticker. I'm gonna peel it and put it right there. There you go. Yep. Right there. Oh. Don't forget to check out Spike Williams' link in my description. We're trying to spread the word still. Thank you. Oh, my neck's been bothering me. Alright, fingers will work.
The carving wizard sent some magic our way.
There you go.
Sticker shining bright like a brand new ray.
Oh.
Pen and fires glowed a bright.
Make sure there's no dust up there. I want it to stick.
Welcome to Grumpy's laid back scene, where the wood chips fly and the vibes stay keen. Rembert's pipe and a
oh, try not to hit the camera.
World is the craftiest roots.
I gotta get all the air bubbles out of it too. I'm real funny about that. Oh, we bumped the camera, but yeah, it's perfect.
Pen and fire stickers set the mood ablaze.
Oh, the camera again. As a workout, silly or not, neck issues when you reach out in front of you or you reach up above your shoulders, anything kind of reaching up and reaching out, that pulls on the neck is crazy, but it's weird how our muscles and nerves work. Take care of yourselves, people. You only get one body, and you dang sure need to take care of it. I did that heavy construction and heavy equipment and worked with my body my whole life, and I was the construction term balls to the wall all the time. I pulled my fair share and some. I don't know, yeah, just I wore myself out in the process. But hey, that's life. It made me who I am. You know, I wouldn't change it, but would change it. You know, but it is what it is. Anywho. Thank you, Perry, for the sticker. Thank you, Shawn, for the sticker. Woo. Thank you, Robert, for the pipe. I love the pipe. I love the stickers. The pipe, like I said, I use it, but it's going to hang up here in my box when I'm not using it. Right there. Alright, y'all have a great day. Stay safe, keep carving, all that good stuff. And Grumpy will make some more videos here soon. Thank you. Y'all like and subscribe. remember, check out my video description. I'm gonna have everybody's channel. I'm gonna have Shawn's channel, I'm gonna have Perry's channel, the Carving Wizard, and then I'm gonna put Robert PT, Rhymer PT, Robert C. Peters. I'm gonna put his channel in the video, or his description. Not Obles. I'm gonna put his link in the description. There you go. Alright, I get like that. I get tongue-tied sometimes, but it happens. Alright, y'all have a great day. And again, check out Spike's link too. Thank you.